Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how to hyperlink a image in your Excel. For that you're going to have to simply launch your Excel. In my case I have a file right here. Once you open up your file, make sure that you have already inserted an image. In my case I would like to use this screenshot right here. So let's make it bigger and put it right here. Now if you would like to hyperlink a image, make sure that you have put your image in a place where it's visible. Now you're going to have to simply click onto the image, or in my case screenshot itself, then select insert. Under insert tab you will see link. Select link, and then at this page you will see address. Here type in any address you would prefer. It could be a URL. So in my case I would like this image or screenshot to be hyperlinked to this URL right here. Then select OK. If you right click onto it, it will ask you to open link. So all you have to do is open the link. And as I do that, you will get landed onto that specific link. As you can see, it is opening up in my Edge browser. So guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.